want to unlock the secrets of the tarot? Or have you always been curious about the mystical world of tarot? Hey friends, welcome to my channel Mahanvi Tarot. Tarot cards have been used for centuries to gain insight into the future. Subscribe to my channel to learn how to read tarot cards. Like the video as a token of appreciation. Let's start today's learning.
Introduction. Today, we are going to be exploring the Hierophant Tarot card, a symbol of tradition, spirituality, and guidance. Overview. The Hierophant is often depicted as a religious figure, such as a pope or priest, and represents the traditional values and beliefs of a community. This card can also represent a mentor or teacher who provides guidance and wisdom to those who seek it. Symbolism. The Hierophant is often depicted holding a staff or scepter, which represents his authority and power. He is also often shown wearing a crown or headdress, which symbolizes his connection to the divine. The two pillars behind him represent the duality of nature and the balance between opposing forces. Meaning. When the Hierophant appears in a tarot reading, it can indicate a need for guidance or a desire to connect with traditional values and beliefs. It can also represent a mentor or teacher who will provide wisdom and support on your journey. Conclusion. So there you have it, the Hierophant Tarot card. Whether you are seeking guidance or looking to connect with your spiritual side, this card can provide valuable insights and wisdom. Be sure to like the video for more tarot content.
Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in my next video.